This way. Yeah, we're gonna go. Oh, her hat fell down, Blaine.
Hang on, Dixie.
Blaine, her hat fell down, honey.
Yeah, she brought it down.
Oh, because, yeah, she's too hot.
Yeah, well. You have to keep this one up at least, okay? Keep this one on, okay?
Okay. Let's go.
Mush.
Mush. Okay, and then come back this way, guys.
Mush. Dixie, come.
Oh. Whoa, Blaine, you lost her. Oh no.
Are you okay?
You're supposed to hold on to her.
You okay, Jado? Is that fine?
Now that was a wicked drive. You okay? Yay!
I think that scared her.
You have to hold on, Blaine.
Dixie kind of took off in a rocket there.
Okay, okay.
Oh.
Okay, are we ready?
Yeah, Dixie.
Dixie, sit down, Dixie.
Dixie, sit down. Oh, that's why. Oh,
Well,
puppy.
she took off her head this one.
Yeah. She's full of spunk, this one. Okay.
She want? What does she want?